Welcome back to my channel Jospedia. Today I am going to tell you yet another healthy dish which is with Pirandai in Tamil, Hadjod in Hindi, and in English it is called Adamant creeper or devil's backbone. So I am going to show you a wonderful curry made out of this plant. So let's see and keep watching my channel Jospedia. It is very good for the bone, the fractures and all the stomach related problems. Also it clears up any blocks of the blood in your hearts and all, and it's a wonderful plant. Many of us do not know about it. So today I am going to show you a curry made out of this Pirandai. First of all, we have to take very tender, we have to choose a very tender stems of this Pirandai. And now I will clean it and keep it ready for the curry that we are going to make today. So let me remove this and clean up this stems. I'm removing this, and just like the drumsticks, we clear up the sides of this Pirandai stem, and we remove the leaves and these climbers that are there, and let's keep it ready. If you want, you can apply some oil to your hand because it has a pungent feeling, so it gives slight itchiness while you clean it. Since it is tender, the pungentness it is also less, so you can it should just break very easily. So that's how you recognize that it is a tender one. So now the Pirandais are clean and ready to be cooked. So let's go and see how to cook Pirandai curry. So the ingredients are ready. Let's see what it is. I have soaked around an amla sized tamarind, which is ready to, the pulp can be taken and used for the curry. And this I had shown you how to clean, and that also around 2 handfuls are ready. It's cleaned and kept ready for the curry. We have around 2 medium sized onion which is washed and chopped, and 3 tomatoes which is also chopped and kept, and around 3 sprigs of curry leaves which are washed and kept, and it's a whole sized garlic that is also peeled and chopped and kept ready. The masalas that we need for this curry are the coriander powder around 3 teaspoons, chili powder around 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. I have used rock salt. If you require, you can also use the and asafoetida, around a pinch of asafoetida for the. We'll put the stove on and I'll pour around 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Once it is heated, now the oil is heated, we'll fry this Pirandai or Hadjod, or this is called Adamant creeper also. We'll just roast it for some time until the color changes. It should slightly change to brown. Okay. Now the Pirandai is turned brown, and this is actually done just to avoid that slight itchiness which you can have with the vegetable. Even while cleaning it, I told you we can smear some oil on the hand and clean it because it gives a slight itchiness onto your body, onto your skin. So just to avoid that, we fry it well so that itchiness doesn't come to your throat while eating. Okay, so now we have taken the Pirandai which is fried and kept. It is very tender and soft now. We'll keep it aside, and now in the same oil we put some methi, around a teaspoon of methi, little mustard seed, let it splutter. Okay, it's done and it gives a nice smell. Now we add the curry. The onion. Wait until the onion gets slightly brown. Onion is turning soft, and now it's the right time to put the garlic and the tomatoes. Now give it a nice mix until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. It's giving a nice smell. All the ingredients mixed together. Very good smell. A pinch of asafoetida to this. Coriander powder. Measurement I have already told you. Chili powder. Turmeric powder, salt to taste, and give it a nice mix once again. And now we'll pour the pulp of the tamarind. I'll take out the pulp and just pour it in this. And we'll wait for the mixture to simmer for 5 minutes, and we'll close it for some time and let it simmer. 5 minutes. So now it is 5 minutes, and let's see how much it has simmered. Yeah, it's boiling well and all the ingredients have mixed up. At this time we add the Pirandai or the Adamant pepper that we have fried and kept, and we mix it, give it a good mix with this masalas, everything, and so that it will be nicely soaked in it, and we close it for another 5 minutes so that it will all be mixed up, and we'll have the curry with Pirandai ready. Okay, so let's see whether it's ready. Oh wow, so a thick gravy with Pirandai is ready to be taken. This gravy can be taken with dosa, idli, or even chapati. It goes very well, and also rice. So this, it's ready to be transferred to the vessel, and we'll transfer it, and then we can eat it with, as I told you, with rice or dosa or idli also. So I've transferred the gravy to the bowl, and tasty, wonderful and healthy Pirandai Korambu, or the curry gravy made out of Pirandai or Adamant creeper, Hadjod. It is ready to be taken. Thank you for watching.